Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp curry. First, gather your main ingredients: fresh shrimp, a good quality curry paste, and creamy coconut milk. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Finally, ensure you have all your essential spices and cooking oil ready to go. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat some oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they are fragrant and soft, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry paste, cooking it for about 1 minute to really bring out its aromas. Finally, pour in 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk and let the sauce come to a gentle simmer. With your sauce simmering beautifully, it's time for the star ingredient. Add your peeled and deveined shrimp to the pan, cooking them for just 2 to 4 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. If you like, you can also stir in some fresh vegetables such as bell peppers or spinach. Finish by seasoning with salt, a touch of sugar, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten all the flavors. Once your delicious shrimp curry is ready, garnish it with fresh cilantro and a final squeeze of lime for brightness. Serve it piping hot alongside fluffy rice or warm naan bread to complete your meal. It's truly a delightful dish that's perfect for any occasion. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.